Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can power on and power off these Denon headphones. Okay, so to do this, first of all we have to focus on the buttons that we can find on the right headphone. And as you can see right here, we can find the power button and the pause button. Next to it you can find the indicator, and we have to click and hold this button until this indicator turns on. So let's do this right now. Click and hold this button. The indicator will turn white, and as you can see right now we can release that button. The device is turned on. To power off we have to do the same, so click and hold it, and you will also hear the notification sound that the Bluetooth is deactivated. And that's how we can do this. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.